Will a roof installation damage my landscaping or property? It's one of the most common questions homeowners ask, and it's a valid one. Roof replacement involves heavy materials, foot traffic, ladders, debris, and nails. So yes, without proper protection, landscaping, driveways, and even your home can be damaged. But here's the truth. A roof installation shouldn't damage your property when the company is prepared and experienced. At XYZ Roofing and Restorations, protecting your home is part of the job, not an afterthought. Before we ever start, we do a full walkthrough to identify delicate landscaping, irrigation, AC units, windows, and access points. That way, nothing is overlooked. During installation, we use tarps, plywood, and protective barriers around plants, siding, windows, pools, and equipment. Tear-off is controlled, not chaotic, so debris doesn't land where it shouldn't. After the install, we perform multiple magnetic nail sweeps and a full yard cleanup to make sure your property is spotless before we leave. There's also a project manager on site the entire time overseeing safety, quality, and protection. Homeowners can help too by moving patio furniture, securing pets, and marking sprinklers, but a good roofer will guide you through all of that. If a company tells you damage is just part of the process, that's a red flag. Roofing shouldn't feel risky, it should feel protected. So the final answer is no. A professional roof installation should not damage your landscaping or property. Ask about the protection process. Choose a roofer who respects your home as much as the roof itself.